I want to love Altia. She not for put on no. Auntie, you look nice. You look nice. You're in your elements. And you're only acting how you feel, and I like that. Leave Altia Hewitt alone. I love her too. We love you, Altie. No. No, you look nice, Auntie Hewitt.
No, Althea, you look good.
Yeah?
She look good.
No doubt.
No, she look good.
No doubt.
And her song name is a Razor Glass.
Razor Glass?
Why would there is all a jug to her? May I tell you that, man? Yeah? All right.
She no need to put on no clothes. You are in your feminine element and it's working.
Like it.
She no need to put on a clothes.
The video again. Overseas Love, Bree Royal. That's the video. Overseas Love. The next video.
Oh, the next thing what Mega said?
Yeah, I need one more video. Two each.
Okay.
Leave her alone.
If I ever own that in these arms of mine.
Bree Royal, Overseas Love.
Yard style life.